Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Today, on the day where the inflation data is going to be released for the US, always a day or a time when a lot of people are just watching the market and just waiting for that data to be released, for these figures to be released, because then you have a little bit more certainty in the market. Overall, where are we here on the Solana chart? So Solana has reclaimed the $40. We dropped here in this channel to the support level of the channel, nearly to the 50-day moving average. The 50-day moving average is at $38.60, providing additional support. There are a couple of possibilities now here that I would like to talk about. Overall, you have to say that Solana is generally at the moment providing a rather weak picture. Yes, we can be carefully bullish, and that is still my view. In that carefully bullish scenario, we can assume that the low for Solana was already in. I would give that scenario a 50% probability. We can count here a wave 1 up, we can count a wave 2 down, can count a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and another 1-2 pattern here. And now, based on that, we would assume we are in the wave 3 of the wave 3 of the wave 3, as long as we are holding this yellow wave 2 down here, which was at $37.40. So as long as this is holding, we can be short-term bullish. If we are losing this level, it wouldn't be a disaster. It would just mean that, so if we lose here this 39, this low here in yellow, 37.40, then we have to go to the next higher level wave count, and next key support will then be $34.60. So imminently we can be, I'm not putting too much hope into this scenario. I just want to show it to you. This suggests that we have done this wave 1, the wave 2, here another 1-2 pattern, another 1-2 pattern, and we would now be on our way in this wave 3 to the upside. Target for that will shift now because we came down quite low in this wave 2, but at the moment we can still see that as an option, and that this overshooting wave was just an overshooting wave B. It's an option. I'm not putting too much hope into that. It seems a bit unrealistic. It hasn't convinced me really, this scenario. But based on this, we would suggest that wave 3 would now go to $44.50. It's possible, it's in the chart. The chart contains that potential. Okay. However, if we now, what I think actually is more likely, and I'll just take that out now here, what I think is more likely is that yes, indeed, this was a wave 1. The move down was actually only a wave A, and we're now coming so the move down was a wave A here, finding a low at 37.40. This was a 3-wave move, a wave B, and we're now coming down in a wave C, in a wave 2. So basically A, B, C, with the C wave potentially finding support here at the channel, again at 37.40. Yeah, it could also go a bit lower. That's what we just need to see. Yeah, I mean, the channel will provide significant support, also the 50-day moving average. A wave C doesn't always need to go below the wave A. It's better if it does. It doesn't always need to be, and a small dip below it would even be good. Yeah, would be good as well. So from here, then we would move up in a wave 3. Yeah. So we currently, it's a bit unclear in which scenario we are. I think the inflation data will give us maybe some clarity, and the movements which happen straight after, because there will usually be a bit of volatility that could push the market into a certain direction. Even if it's only a short-term push, it could let the market play out what would play out normally, and then we might have some clarity, because there's a bit of uncertainty at the moment. As soon as we go above the wave B either way, I think we continue in a wave 3, whatever wave 3 it is. Yeah, so this is the key level to the upside, 34.72. Bullish would already be a breakout of the channel to the upside. So at the moment, imminently, I'm focusing on higher. This bullish scenario, in my opinion, will get overall less likely should we break below $34.60. Here, this white wave 2 low, and I think we're going to see lower lows below $26 actually if we lose this yellow wave 2 at $31.70. Alright, that's my update about Solana. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.